giving you the opportunity to meet one of our proud alumni. So Kaushik Mukherjee is the alumni of the month. So I hand over to Tanushree ma'am for taking the session ahead.
Right. So thank you so much, sir. So I think you can already see him sitting right in front of you. So he also lived his journey here itself, right? Participated in so many events, and then finally dreaming of what he thought of, and then he became also. He has got a lot of accolades and achievements, which he would only like to, tell to all of you. So first of all, let us give him a huge round of applause. So to begin this conversation, first of all, we would like to know from you, how has been your college journey? And if you think back to your college days, what are some of the memories that really, strike to you and it still brings smile to your face?
So I am from 1924 batch BLLB. So coming back here as an alumni really feels great coming here and seeing all these faces in the morning, because someday I was sitting there only and in auditorium also. So if you are in law, be ready for a journey, because it is not an easy journey to go ahead. Whether you are doing LLB or DLLB, whichever course you are doing, in law you have to keep in mind that you have to just show up every day. Daily आना है, ये सोच के नहीं आना कि what I will get out of it. You have to show up, whether in internships, in courts, wherever you are going. Similarly, I also showed up every day कि I have to learn something new today. आज कुछ नया सीखना है, ये सोच के नहीं आना कि अटेंडेंस चाहिए या ये क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल करना है या ये करना है वो करना है. जस्ट शो अप और अपने जो फैकल्टीज़ है उनसे बात करो, बिकॉज इफ़ यू कम्युनिकेट इट हेल्प्स इन मेकिंग योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स बेटर. आपका जो हेजिटेशन है वो सही होगा, और जो एक्सपीरियंसेस जो फैकल्टीज विल शेयर विद यू, दैट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू इन योर लाइफ एंड योर जर्नी. एंड just hard work is the only key if you are coming in law.
Right. So I'm sure these are some of the learnings which you also had during your 5 years journey. And when we say 5 years journey, it's a long period of time. You gain a lot of things. You face the challenges. So if I talk about that, how has been the transition now?
So the transition is very drastic, because when you are studying in college, you are still in a shell, because the faculty will help you or your friends will help you. But the moment you step into a court, there are people to help you, but you have to ask for it. यहाँ पे faculties are very approaching कि आपको help कर देंगे, बता देंगे. आप एक से नहीं पूछोगे, आप 10 से पूछोगे. तो कोर्ट में भी similarly you have to ask advocates, you have to ask the clerks, you have to ask people who are around. They will help you, but it is you have to take the initiative. Go and ask कि I don't know this. Just be frank. नहीं आता कोई बात नहीं, अगर आप पूछोगे नहीं तो कोई बताएगा भी नहीं. सिमिलरली अगर आप ये जर्नी जो है फ्रॉम BLLB और LLB, फ्रॉम अ क्लासरूम टू अ कोर्ट रूम, इट इज़ अ डिफिकल्ट जर्नी, बट यू कैन लिव इट रियली गुड इफ़ यू कीप हार्ड वर्किंग एंड शो अप एवरी डे. एंड आपका जो काम है, यू हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ. आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि दिस पर्सन विल, आई विल डेलीगेट दिस, आई विल डेलीगेट एनी अदर पर्सन, और आई विल बी in the shadow of the senior. If you keep that in mind, you will be forever in the shadow of the senior. You have to rise up.
Very rightly said that he's been very modest in talking about these things, because if you ask me, I remember him right from the first day. There has not been a single day, probably I'll say, wherein he has not been in the college campus, except on days when probably his health or something was not good. And he's a very, very punctual student. Like, you can visualize that, because today also, when I was sure, I have told the reception as well that I know my child, he'll be here at 11 and he was at 10:59. So same was the approach even in the normal regular classes. That the message which he's trying to put in across, or the point which he's trying to drive here is, see, the punctuality is the key, because when you are either into litigation or into corporate offices or wherever, whatever, aim or vision which you have thought for yourself, so punctuality is the key. You have to honor the time. And trust me, there has never been any instances, because most of the time when we were coming to the campus, he was already there, reaching the campus. So that is something which is commendable. And then the hard work, as rightly said, there is no escape from hard work. And in the course of communication, we'll come across that he started his journey as at district court. Now he's he's practicing at the Honorable Supreme Court. So I would love to listen to that, the transition. I'm sure it will come up in the further discussions. So
So we can proceed with the rapid fire questions, right? It's very important, very interesting. So Kaushik, we have some questions for you. And now you have to answer in one word or one sentence. You got to think a little fast on this, right? So one very interesting question is, if you could bring one legal reform to India, what would it be?
I think which problems which I have faced, I think paid internships is a big problem.
Yes, very nice. That's great, you know. Yes. Which area of law do you think will dominate the next decade?
Arbitration and mediation will definitely still booming, and it will definitely dominate the next coming few decades.
Right. So with this, we like to felicitate him.